All right, so we're going to look at this literal equation here, negative ax plus by equals c, and it says to solve for x. So there's a few things we need to do that we kind of talked about in class before we solve for x, and that's to identify the variable. Right here tells you the variable you need to solve for, and that's x. It also tells us what our coefficient is. Remember, coefficients always are the ones touching the variable. That's going to be negative a. And the constant, we're going to treat that by right there as the constant because it's the term not touching the variable. And then we're going to go from there. We're going to follow those three steps. Start by simplifying. This is all simplified because there's no distributive property. There's no combining like terms, and there's no variables on both sides. That variable being x. So then we're going to get rid of the constant, step one. The constant was by, so we're going to take that term away from both sides to be fair and equal. Cancels out here, and I'll be left with a negative a x. By minus by is 0 equals c minus by. Now that the constant is taken care of, we're now going to get rid of the coefficient. The coefficient is negative a. We're going to get rid of that by dividing both sides by a negative a. Make sure to divide both sides, so the whole side, by that coefficient. On the left-hand side, negative a cancels out and leaves you with just the x like we planned on. And on the right, we have c minus by all over the coefficient negative a. And there we have it. X is solved for.